30 years old, the headlights on my 1995 C1500 are pretty foggy and oxidized, so I felt that it was time for a change. When I came across these MOVOTOR LED headlights, I knew I had to have them on my truck. Now, if me and my friend Andrew are able to put these in all by ourselves, then anyone can. We've both never taken on a project like this on our own, and we managed to get the job done without much frustration. It comes with a pretty easy to read instruction paper, and if you're a visual learner, there's YouTube videos covering the installation process. Everything was direct plug and play, so you don't have to worry about any wiring, except for the part where you have to connect these black wires with those black wires, and these yellow wires with those yellow wires. But listen, that's such an easy step that even my grandma could do it on her own. Now, there's 3 different ways you can set these lights up. The turn signals could be facing this direction, or that direction. I went with this one. And for the final reveal, they do this cool animation every time you turn them on. Also, in case you're wondering if they're bright, they are. As a matter of fact, I need to angle mine downwards because I think I'm blinding people out here. Overall, I think they look really good, especially if you're going for a kind of a resto mod look on your truck. I'm not gonna lie, I had my doubts when buying these, but now I definitely don't regret my purchase.